10 proven benefits of keto diet and how to get it. But before we reveal the benefits of keto diet and how to get it, we want you to take a second to like this video, subscribe to our channel and also check out the first link in the description to get your custom keto diet plan. What is the keto diet? A ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet. On it, you'll replace starchy breads and sugary cereals with avocados, butter, and fatty cuts of meat. Many people use the keto lifestyle to treat health conditions like arthritis, diabetes, and chronic inflammation. This all works because of a process known as ketosis, which we'll explain below. Beyond the health benefits we've already mentioned, it also provides sustained energy levels, less cravings and reduction in sugar addiction, mental clarity, satiety, feeling full, reduced inflammation. Why ketosis works? During the first 3 to 7 days on the ketogenic diet, your body transitions to a state known as ketosis. First, the lack of dietary carbohydrates forces your body to deplete its glycogen stores, which it keeps for energy. After these stores are emptied, your body adapts to using fat for fuel as the liver produces ketone bodies, ketones, for energy to replace glucose. Ketones are a slower, much more efficient source of energy than glucose. Your body needs to break down fat from your diet and within your body in order to make ketones, unlike glucose, which is created when you consume carbohydrates. 10 proven benefits of keto diet. 1. Weight loss. This is the reason most people start a ketogenic diet, and for good reason. Transitioning to a fat-adapted metabolic state will greatly aid in weight loss, as well as make intuitive eating easier. The keto diet results in more weight loss compared to a low-fat diet, both in healthy individuals and those with conditions like diabetes or heart disease. One reason for this is that a keto diet has the unique ability to increase satiety, the feeling of fullness, by positively altering hunger hormone levels like ghrelin. Body fat, especially across the waistline, is one factor in metabolic syndrome, a cluster of symptoms and conditions associated with increased risk for heart disease and diabetes. The keto diet reduces all 5 of the clustered conditions, including body fat in the midsection. 2. Improved heart health. The myth that dietary fat equates to rises in cholesterol is just that, a myth. In fact, the opposite is true. Keto diets have been shown to improve cholesterol levels. In obese patients, one study found that following the keto diet in the long term resulted in lower levels of all heart disease risk factors: LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, blood glucose, blood pressure. The study authors also noted that HDL good cholesterol levels increased over the course of the diet. 3. Sustained energy levels. Once you make the shift to burning fat as your primary fuel source, you'll notice increased, stable energy throughout the day. No more ups and downs in energy levels. This is mainly due to the fact that going keto means your blood sugar remains stable throughout the day. The highs and crashes people typically experience over the course of a day are caused by blood glucose spikes and dips. 4. Reduction in epileptic seizures. As the brain changes in ketosis, the electrical impulses that cause seizures seem to calm down and, sometimes, stop altogether. Multiple clinical trials have found ketosis reduces seizures across the board, with 24% or more patients achieving 0 seizures once in ketosis. 5. Aid in diabetes treatment. A long-term keto diet improves the outlook for many with diabetes, according to numerous studies. Ketosis combats insulin resistance and allows the body to once again use the insulin it produces properly to sustain healthy blood sugar levels. For many patients, this diet has even provided the freedom to get off diabetes medications entirely. Not only can it manage blood sugar, but keto may even help reduce A1C levels to within the normal range. 6. Improved PCOS symptoms. Polycystic ovarian syndrome (PCOS) is the leading cause of female infertility in the modern world. It's characterized by excess body fat, insulin resistance, missed or late periods, acne, male pattern hair growth, and more. Fortunately, keto might be one answer for women who suffer from this condition. A 2005 clinical trial saw an improvement in insulin sensitivity, testosterone levels, body weight, and hormone levels after 24 weeks on the diet. 2 of the 11 women in the pilot study became pregnant, although they hadn't been able to in the years leading up to the study. Similar results were seen in another 2006 study. 7. Less severe acne breakouts. The science behind keto and acne is in early stages, but it seems that some of the autophagic improvements caused by keto may improve the health of the skin and reduce acne. 8. Hope for brain disease treatment. Unlike many of the current treatments for brain-related diseases, keto may be incredibly effective in reversing symptoms. It's being studied in conjunction with all of these brain diseases: Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, traumatic brain injury, TBI, ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease, Huntington's disease, schizophrenia. 9. Cancer treatment. The keto diet can help with better mitochondrial function, the energy sources of all living cells, which is one reason it may be helpful in decreasing tumor sizes in various types of cancer. Most significant might be the way keto transforms brain cancer. A 2007 study found that it's possible to shrink malignant brain tumors. Some research also supports the idea of using a keto diet alongside chemotherapy and radiation treatments, known as adjuvant therapy. With hyperbaric oxygen therapy in an animal study, a ketogenic diet was able to increase survival time in metastatic cancer by almost 78%. Several case studies on keto with certain cancers have shown major benefits from this high-fat diet. 2 pediatric oncology patients went on a ketogenic diet with 60% medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs) each day. One showed incredible mood improvements as well as a total halt of her cancer throughout the 12 months on the diet. Another case study, this of a 65-year-old woman with a brain cancer called glioblastoma multiforme, reversed her brain tumor entirely after 2 months on the keto diet. After the strict diet was stopped, the tumor came back about 10 weeks later. While these results are very intriguing, it's important never to stop or change your cancer treatment regimen without first discussing it with your healthcare provider. 10. Increased longevity. Like I mentioned earlier, the keto diet may help increase your body's total lifespan by supporting cellular regeneration through autophagy. Autophagy is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells, in order to regenerate newer, healthier cells. Don't forget to check out how to get your custom keto diet plan in the description below. Kindly like, share and comment on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to be one of the first to get new content. Thank you.